Hello, we are unboxing.
You are unboxing.
Yeah.
What are you unboxing?
Surprise!
A box.
A box! But let me see if this is working first. Hang on.
Okay.
Hello again.
Someone is very excited.
I am very excited because...
Why are you excited?
Because there's a box. A box. Oh, I shouldn't show the label. A box.
Really?
Now, this is exciting.
There's something in the box.
Don't krong it.
Why not?
Because it might break.
Well, I thought it might be empty.
No, it's not. It's got a weight in it.
Yep, opened it.
And this is Unboxing 101. I don't know if we will put this on video, but if it works well, that video, we will. If it goes on slow motion, we will not. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. That, you do that. I hope I didn't kill it. Did you hear that popping? Oh, satisfying.
Come on, muscles.
It's that way. Just doesn't want to. Proc. There you go. And then here's the open box. Ta-da! Oh, there's a paper. Do you realize you're gonna pay? Welcome. It's great that you're with us. Let's get your service up and running. Cool. Did you see?
What did I see?
Did they see?
What?
Did you see?
Yes, I see.
It's a box. It's got that, and it's got that. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Yeah.
That's it?
Ooh.
You're not going to show the contents?
Well, there's honey, there's oh, there's the ear there. Ready, setty. Let's eat. Hang on.
The things I have to put up with.
Opening. Time first. Opening.
Ta-da.
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 Ta-da. Ta-da.
Meanwhile, a little bit later.
Ta-da. Honey.
Meanwhile, a few minutes or hours later.
Your head is out there.
I know.
What the heck?
It's alright. Don't worry about it.
There. Oh, it's too. Hey. There.
Ta-da. 554th attempt. Ba-ding!
I saw.
Well, show everyone. Quick.
Oh, did I not open it right?
Yeah.
That's where the thing is. Sorry, I was opening it wrong. See that?
You give me a headache.
It should open
You
there.
give me a headache.
Well, how would I know? So it should open there or with the green stuff. Nah. Okay. All right, where are we now?
I hope we're opening this box.
Whoa! There's the box.
No one cares about that. They care about the contents.
And ta-da! That's my new toy.
What is it?
It's an iPhone.
iPhone what?
It's
10, 5, 3?
no. It's
2?
an. What did I buy? Oh. Sorry.
And this is what I have to put up with every single day.
Hang on.
No wonder I'm bored.
It's an. What's the latest? This is an iPhone Pro Max. No.
iPhone 15.
This
Pro
is an iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's got 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte. What is 1
What?
terabyte?
That's 1,000 gig.
Well, it's 1 terabyte.
Yeah, that's 1,000 gig.
Well,
You got 1,000 gig?
yeah. Yeah. Well, anyway, I've got 1 terabyte. Not bragging, sorry. Ta-ding! And I got a natural titanium kind of thing.
Natural titanium colour. What kind of thing?
I've got a natural titanium.
Colour.
I've got a natural titanium color. Yay! Is that it? No cover. So that's it. Well, that's it. I just thought I'd take a video of unboxing it and showing
Don't disturb me from my motorcycle videos.
Yes, and I just wanted to share because I'm a happy baby
You are a
today,
happy baby.
and not for anything, but I will be using it for all my videos, and that's the reason why I had 1 terabyte, because my iCloud storage is full and I got it to the max, and then I can't anymore upgrade. Yeah, and that's the reason. And then of course just the normal one.
What?
I don't have a charger.
No. What do you think? It's Apple.
The
Apple gives
iPhone
nothing for
didn't
nothing.
come out with a
And-
charger.
And hello, it's a new cord too. It's USB-C.
Yeah,
not
that's the
Lightning.
same as what I use for my
Oh well,
MacBook.
you'll just have to use one of my Samsung USB-C
No,
chargers.
I have my MacBook. It's the same. But I can't believe that they didn't come with.
Oh, I'd believe it. It's Apple.
Oh, that's sad.
At least with Samsung, you get everything.
Yeah, I think that's the downside to it, because you're supposed to have a charger. How can you, like, where do you
Jeez,
put
what
this
if-
in your
did,
nose?
Did you get freebies with your phone?
No.
No.
I
Dear,
got
oh
a
dear.
letter.
What did I get with my phone? Oh, that's right. I got
It's
a smartwatch. I got earbuds. All thrown in for free because, Samsung Galaxies are just so much better than iPhone.
It's okay. I've still got an iPhone. You've just got a Samsung.
Which is far better than an iPhone.
Please retain this document as it is your proof of purchase.
Can I go now?
See, Apple Pro Max.
Can I go now? Can I go now?
Well, we say hey, bye-bye.
Oh.
Bye. I like it, but he's not excited, but I am. So, yeah. Thank you to the Wifey for buying this. And thank you for the hubby for annoying the wifey in buying this. But hey, wifey got it. So I'll be doing my future videos using this one. See ya. Bye.